Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking your reel length and orientation. That sets pacing and frame. Next, choose and test your microphone. Phone mic is fine, but wired or Bluetooth gives cleaner audio. Aim for levels around -6 to -12 dB so peaks don't clip. Once done, open Instagram Reels camera and set a tripod or steady position. Use the timer or hands-free mode and decide whether you'll add voiceover after recording or narrate live while filming. You now capture your footage in short, purposeful takes so syncing voice is straightforward. Once you have clips, tap the voiceover tool to record narration directly on the timeline or import a pre-recorded file from an external app for more control. While editing, trim to match visual beats and use fade in /out to avoid abrupt starts. Make sure background music sits under your voice. Lower music to about -8 dB relative to narration, and preview several times to ensure clear pacing and emphasis. You're at the finish line. Add captions and stickers, place a strong hook in the first line, and include targeted hashtags before you publish. If you mixed externally, export audio at 48K HCWAV or high-quality MP3 and re-import, then balance levels one last time. Post with an engaging cover frame and monitor comments. If audio glitches appear, troubleshoot by checking microphone permissions, reconnecting or switching mics, restarting Instagram, or simply redoing the voiceover. Often a quick re-record fixes sync and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.